four-way action coming up. And Byron, what should we look out for in this one?
This is one of those matches, Michael, where anything can happen, and it usually does. The only thing I know for sure is that the referee will have his hands full in this one.
The statistician for Titus Worldwide.
And her opponents. First, from Cleveland, Ohio, Brooke.
Tremendous athlete, great competitor.
Once upon a time, she was a protege of one Charlotte Flair.
And now she's moved on to the lead statistician for Titus Worldwide. There's no doubt she has beauty, there's no doubt she has power, but she also has brains. She's the lead statistician and business consultant for Titus Worldwide.
I got my hands on one of those statistics earlier today. Did you guys know that Dana Brooke has never lost a match on the same day that Byron Saxton had a date?
Really?
That's right.
Amazing.
Byron, when was your last date?
None of your business.
Exactly.
Sounds like this crowd is ready for this fatal four-way match to get underway.
And at the risk of sounding impulsive, this match has the makings of being a Match of the Year candidate.
Ladies and gentlemen, we're just moments away from this gigantic steel cage match.
And given the superstars involved, you can bet this one will be about as vicious and gruesome as it gets.
Steel cage action kicking off here, guys.
Great agility.
Shoulder right to the midsection.
What a strike. Right on the mark.
Boom! Slam!
With authority. What a kick!
Drop kick!
Hits the mark.
Byron, she has no idea where she is right now.
And I assure you, the top of that turnbuckle is not where you want to be when you're in this kind of condition.
Just dropped.
Nia Jax seems to have lost a step now, but you certainly cannot count her out yet.
Slow down, Cole. Your tone seems to suggest you think she's in trouble here. Trust me, it's going to take a lot more than this to keep her down, especially given the magnitude of this match.
Well, she's looked good up until now. She just has to make sure not to absorb too much punishment here if she wants to get back into this thing.
And she goes down hard.
That'll leave a mark.
What a clothesline!
Ouch! The total diva looking totally dominant.
Nia Jax is in trouble.
Ooh! Takes her down. Wow.
Nice move right there.
Look at the look in her eyes.
She's in the zone.
Oh, what a leg drop.
Oh, makes my stomach hurt. There is no coming back from that one.
Now, can Nia Jax make the most of this?
Years later, I still get goosebumps when I watch a WWE pay-per-view. It takes me back to when I was a kid. My friends would come over to watch WrestleMania or SummerSlam.
Air pull mat slam.
Oh man, she's rolling now.
Takes her off her feet.
That's how you eliminate somebody's vertical game.
Look, she's looking at it.
The slam! This one's over, guys.
Nailed it. Oof. Boom.
She's turning the tables.
Ain't turned yet. Still got some work to do.
And she's toying with her now.
Going for it all here.
Power bomb.
It's heating up now.
She goes for the cover. Early kick out. Referee right on top of the action.
Have to put in a little more work than that.
You gotta believe this one's over. She might have it. Big splash.
Incredible.
That's just great execution.
Look at her go.
This might be it.
Oh my.
Beautiful technique.
She is on fire.
It's been a wild road to SummerSlam, and it all culminates here tonight with the biggest event of the summer.
Harsh impact.
Quick thinking by Nia Jax.
Oh, nasty impact. Boom!
She's going to need a miracle if she wants back in this one. She may not be able to go on much longer here in this fatal four-way match.
You've got to give these women so much credit. They've really been put through the ringer here tonight.
This one's getting ugly. You might want to turn away. Yes! Takes it! I can't believe what we just witnessed. Steel cage matches never fail to surprise and amaze.
Well, that match wasn't much to look at, but at least they gave a little bit of effort. Kind of like some women I've dated. She'll be happy with the victory here, but overall, the match wasn't as good as I hoped it would be before it started.
Here is your winner,
Happens sometimes.
Nia Jax.
Huge win for her against some very tough competition.
It could have gone so many different ways, but in the end, only one of these competitors had what it truly takes to be the alpha.
And I'd say that match certainly...